Welcome to the math class. Wait for a few minutes, we'll start our session. Just we can go through what you have learned in the last class. In last class, in exercise number 1.5, we'll solve few problems. I think till the third problem completed, fourth one and ninth one and 11th one already completed. That is based on the Venn diagram. Based on Venn diagram. Next we'll move on to the sixth problem, and next eighth, and then 10th problem. Yeah, sixth one, eighth one, and 10th one. These three problems will solve. Ragini, I get your paper, then your mark is 21. Okay, listen. In exercise number 1.5, we'll actually in exercise number 1.5 is based on the first one is distributive property, and next one is De Morgan law of set difference, and next one is De Morgan law of complementation. So yesterday we'll discuss few problems related with distributive property. Okay, the concept of distributive property, especially for the second problem and the third one. This is all this idea based on distributive property. Now we'll move on to the De Morgan law of set difference. Okay, De Morgan law of set difference. Question number 6 in exercise number 1.5. Exercise number 1.5. Question number. Okay, the question number 6 in exercise number 1.5. Here they will define set A in set builder form X such that X is equal to 6 times of N. 6 times of N. Then N belongs to W. W is called a whole number. N belongs to W. N is the W is called whole number. Then they will given the range for N and N less than 6 and N less than 6. Next, set B, that is also in set builder form X such that X is equal to 2 times of N or multiple of 2. Then N belongs to set of all natural number N and the range for N 2 less than N less than or equal to 9. Next is set C. The element of set C, they will define X such that X is equal to 3 times of N, 3N. Then N belongs to set of all natural number and 4 less than or equal to N less than 10. Less than 10. Okay. Now we can look at the first set. X is equal to 16. What is the value of the N belongs to W, whole number. Set of all whole number. Whole number started from 0. N is less than 6. N is less than 6. That's why for the first one, we'll choose the value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 till 5. Okay. Till 5, we'll choose the value. For the next one, N choose the value from natural number. Set of all natural number. 2 less than N, which means you skip the value 2 and start from 3. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 less than or equal to 9. Okay. Less than or equal to 9. Less than or equal to 9. Till 9 will write the value. Yeah, till 9. So now it is clear. Next one, for the set C, n belongs to a set of all natural number, capital N. 4 less than or equal to n. That's 4. That 4 less than or equal to means that include the value. Okay, include the value 4. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, less than 10. Okay, less than 10 till 9. Okay, now we can frame the set. Sir, Ayyappan sir, my audio and video is clear, sir?
Sir, very clear, sir.
Okay, sir. Because few students are saying that audio is clear, but the video is stacking.
Everything clear, sir.
Thank you, sir. Okay, students, please check your network connectivity. Then now we'll move on to the element of set A. We will write the element of set A, set B, and set C is based on the given information. Okay. Then set A, the element of set A, it is a multiple of 6. 6 into 0, 0. 6 into 1, 6. 6 into 2, 12. 6 3s are 18. 6 4s are 24. 6 5s are 30. That's all. This is the element of set A. Next, we'll write the element of set B. It's a multiple of 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are 10. 2 6 are 12. 2 7s are 14. And 2 8s are 16. And 2 9s are 18. This is the element of set B. Yeah, this is the element of set B. Next, element of set C. We'll write the element of set C. 3 4s are, it's a multiple of 3. 3 4s are 12. Then 3 5s are 15. And 3 6 are 18. And 3 7s are 21. And 3 8s are 24. And 3 9s are 27. Okay, this is the element of set C. Okay, this is the element of set C. Okay, this is the element of set C. Here we'll do the problem by the De Morgan law of set difference. Okay, De Morgan law of set difference. A difference, B intersection C. Then we can show that. Okay, I'll write the De Morgan law on the top. A difference, B intersection C. A difference, B intersection C, which is equal to A difference B union A difference C. First, we will consider left hand side, and next we will move on to right hand side. Okay. First, we will move on to the left hand side. For your left hand side, B intersection C. B intersection C. The intersection between the set B and C. What is the common element between B and C? What is the common element? That element 12. 12 and next 18. Yeah, these two elements are common between the set B and C. Which elements are common? 12, 18. 12, 18. Okay, these two elements are common elements. 12, 8. B intersection C. Next, A difference, B intersection C. Yeah, A difference. For the difference alone, we'll write the first set and the common set, B intersection C. Okay, what is the first set? The A. Element of set A, it becomes 0, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. Difference, okay. The element of set B intersection C. What is the common element between the set B and C? That is 12, 18. 12, 18. Now we can remove the common element 12 and 18. Okay. 12 and 18 we can remove. After removing the element from the first set, A difference. Okay, the A difference now we'll remove the common element from the first set and write down the remaining element. Sorry, what are the remaining elements? 0, 6, 24, 30. Call this equation number 1. Call it as equation number 1. This is for your left hand side. The same way you can do for right hand side. First one, A difference B, and next A difference C. For the given alone, I just tell rough. Okay. I'll directly can copy from set A, set B, and set C. Okay, this is in the textbook. Refer your textbook. Now I'll move on to my right hand side. Yeah, for my right hand side, I'll continue here. For the right hand side, first one is A difference B. For my right hand side, A difference B. What is the A difference B? Write down the element of set A first. The element of set A 0, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. Different set B. Okay, the element of set B. What is the element of set B? That 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. These are the elements of set C. Okay, these are the elements of set C. Okay, now we can remove the element of set. Oh, sorry. This is the element of set B. To remove the element of set B from A. Now we can remove the common element 6 and next 12 and next 18. Okay, these three elements are common elements. What does mean by A difference B? To remove the element of set B from A. Okay, to remove the element of set B from set A and write down the remaining element in the first set, that is A. What are the remaining elements? 0, 24, 30. Yeah, 0, 24, 30 is equal to, I'll write here, since it is visible to all, 0, then 24, 30. 0, 24, 30. This is A difference B. Next, A difference C. Next one is A difference C. Yeah, for my right hand side, A difference C. Write down the element of A difference C. That A difference C, which is nothing but write down the element of A first and next write down the element of set C. Yeah, element of A difference C. That element of A is nothing but 0, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. Different element of set C. What is the element of set C? 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27. Yeah, 27. Now we can remove the common elements. Which are the elements are common? 12, 18, 24. Okay. After removing the element, write down the remaining element in the first set. 0, 6, 30. 0, 6, 30. This is called A difference C. For your right hand side, A difference B union A difference C. Okay, A difference C union. Sorry, A difference B union A difference C. Write down the element of A difference B. That's nothing but 0, 24, 30. And union A difference C. 0, 6, 30. Now we can join these two sets to the union. 0, 6, 24, 30. 0, 6, 24, 30. Sir, if anyone unnecessarily unmute the audio means, please remove from the meeting, sir. Okay, now we can join the elements. Zero, 6, 24, 30. Okay, call it as equation number 2. Call it as equation number 2. Call it as equation number 2. And this is your answer. Now we can check equation number 1 and 2 are equal or not equal. Yes, equation number 1 and 2 are equal. Equation number 1 and 2 are equal. Therefore, we can conclude the result A difference, B intersection C. Actually, this is only the starting part. I'll separate it by line. This is only the starting part. A, B, and C. Write down the element of set A, set B, and set C. Next, the left hand side, right hand side. Okay, to write the element of set A, set B, and set C, that is 1 mark. Okay. For 5 mark problem means, what is the mark distribution for 5 mark means? For the 3 sets, write down the element of all the 3 sets, they will provide 1 mark. B intersection C, that is 1 mark. Then A difference B intersection C, that is 1 mark. A difference B and A difference C. A difference B and A difference C, that is 1 mark. And final answer, that is 1 mark. Okay, total 5 marks. Again, I'm repeat, to write the element of all the 3 sets, that is 1 mark. This is the mark distribution. Okay, this is the mark distribution. Then B intersection C, 1 mark. That equation number 1, 1 mark. That is totally 3 marks. For A difference B, A difference C. Okay, that 1 mark. And final answer, the same equation number 2. That is another 1 mark, totally 5 marks. Okay, this is the mark distribution for 5 marks. Okay, complete this problem. So this is the idea for exercise 1.5, sixth problem. This is the De Morgan law of complement. No, sorry, set difference. Okay, the De Morgan law of set difference idea. Anybody having any doubt in this problem? You can ask your doubt. Okay, this is only the idea for the De Morgan law for set difference. Okay, this is the one law. And one more law also is there. Suppose whenever you're free, you'll try to do the problem, same problem with the other law. Okay, same problem with the other law. What's the other law? A difference B union C equal to A difference B intersection A difference B. The same problem, you'll try the other law. Okay, this is the idea for the De Morgan law for the set difference. Okay. And next one, question number 8. The same exercise, 8th question. The same exercise, question number 8. That is related with the fraction, the rational number. Yeah, that is related with the rational number idea. I think all are complete the problem fully. Anybody wants time to complete the problem? Okay, fine. We'll move on to the next problem. Question number 8. The same exercise, 8th question. That is also a application of De Morgan laws of set difference. That's the other law. The other law for the De Morgan laws of set difference, A difference B union C. Yeah, that A difference B union C, which is equal to A difference B union C, which is equal to A difference B intersection A difference C. That's the other law for De Morgan law of set difference. Okay, here they will define set A in set builder form. Y such that Y is equal to, they will define Y like the function A plus 1 by 2. Then A belongs to W. W is the whole number and A less than or equal to 5, which means A takes the value from 0 to 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, that A takes the value 0 to 5. A takes the value 0 to 5. 0, that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, set B. They will define set B as Y such that Y is equal to 2n minus 1 by 2. And n belongs to W. Oh, sorry, n belongs to yes, okay. That is also belongs to W only. And what about that n? N is less than 5. N is less than 5. 0, 1, 2, 3 till 4. Okay, because less than 5. Less than or equal to, you can include the number. Otherwise, just you can skip the number. Before the number, you can choose 0 to 4. Next, element of set C. Directly, they will given minus 1 by 2. Okay, first I'll write the element of set A and B, and then I'll move on to write the element of set C. Okay, fine. Listen carefully. Here, I made a calculation to identify the answers. Then A is equal to 0. Here the Y value is equal to 0 plus 1 by 2. That is nothing but 1 by 2. Next, A is equal to 1. Suppose I don't like that to substitute the value. Okay, I'm very well in the calculation, sir. I'll directly write the element of set A. No problem. That is your wish. Directly write the answer also. I'll appreciate. Yeah, suppose, okay, for this one, to avoid the mistakes, okay, suppose you have missed a single element, means the whole problem is wrong. That alone you can keep in your mind. because lot of members in your cycle test you made a major mistake. What is the mistake now? You missed the one single element. That's why you lose the mark. Okay, lot of members you got 22, 21, 24 or 23 means this is only the major reason. Definitely you missed that element. A lot of members. A lot of members just you can miss the single element. You miss the single element also, that is wrong. Yeah, that's why you lose your mark. That's why to avoid the things. That's why I'll write the explanation. Otherwise, no problem, sir. I didn't made any mistake. I'll directly write down the element of set A, set B. No problem. Directly write the element. Okay, now we'll move on to the calculation. That A is equal to 1. Then Y is equal to 1 plus 1 by 2. That is nothing but 2 by 2. 2 by 2 is nothing but 1. Next, A is equal to 2. Value of A is equal to 2. Y is equal to 2 plus 1 by 2. That is 3 by 2. Next, A is equal to 3. A is equal to 3. Then Y is equal to 3 plus 1 by 2. That is 4 by 2. 4 by 2 is equal to, that is 2. 4 by 2 is equal to 2. Next, A is equal to 4. Then Y is equal to 4 plus 1. That is nothing but 5. 5 by 2. Next, A is equal to 5. Y is equal to 5 plus 1. That 5 plus 1 is nothing but 6. 6 by 2. 6 by 2 is equal to 3. 6 by 2 is equal to 3. Because this is the element of set A. Because this is the element of set A. 1 by 2, 1, 3 by 2, 2, 5 by 2, 3. This is the element of set A. Next, now we'll write the element of set B. That n is equal to 0. Then y is equal to 2 into 0, 0. 0 minus 1 by 2, nothing but minus 1 by 2. Next, n is equal to 1. 2 1s are 2, 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1, that is 1 by 2. Next, n is equal to 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 1 by 2. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3, 3 by 2. Next, n is equal to 3. Y is equal to 2 3s are 6, 6 minus 1. 6 minus 1 is equal to 5, 5 by 2. Next, n is equal to 4. Y is equal to 4 2s are 8. 8 minus 1 is equal to 7 by 2. Yeah, students, again I'm repeating, these two sides are not necessary to do in your examination. Yeah, suppose you know very well in the calculation, so yeah, no problem. Directly you'll write down the element of set A and set B. Suppose you are missing a single element, mean definitely lose your mark. Yeah. Now you can write the element of set A and set B. Copy the element of set A and set B. This is for set A and this is for set B. Write down the element of both the set A and B. First, we can complete up to this, and then I will proceed to check the De Morgan law of set difference. Suppose in your examination, okay, for the 5 mark, actually your mark distribution is 1 mark, 2 mark, and 5 mark. But your cycle test, I'm asking the 2 mark and 3 mark. But your 100 marks and I will writing the exam for 100 marks only, not for 60 or things. Yeah. Okay, listen. For an examination, they will ask without giving the law, they will ask the problem like verify the De Morgan laws of set difference. Which means we have the 2 laws. Okay, for the De Morgan law of set difference, we have the 2 laws. But to verify means either the first law or second law. Okay. In a general question, they will ask the general question means either will verify the first law or will verify the second law. Either A difference B union C or A difference B intersection C. Any one is enough. Okay. No need to do both the laws. Is it clear? In an examination, they will ask the question like a general question. Verify the De Morgan law of set difference means either first one or the second one. Okay. Any one is enough. No need to do both the laws. This is applicable for both Venn diagram. Okay. Both Venn diagram. Wait, I didn't write the element of set C. First, wait. This is the element of set A and set B. First, we can complete. Then only I'll proceed the problem. Let's complete the calculation. Now I can fill up the elements of set A and set B. Then I'll proceed to verify the De Morgan law of set difference. Element of set A. What are the element of set A? 1 by 2, comma 1, comma 3 by 2, comma 2, then 5 by 2, and 3. This is the element of set A. Element of set B. Minus 1 by 2, comma 1 by 2, comma 3 by 2, comma 5 by 2, comma 7 by 2. Okay, these are the element of set B. These are the element of set B. The element of set C, they will given in the problem itself. Okay, direct the roster form. Minus 1 by 2, 1, 3 by 2, 2. These are the element of set C. Now we can consider your left hand side, right hand side separately, and you can do the problem. Suppose those you know the idea, now we can proceed and you can identify the answer. Check for the LHS and RHS are equal or not equal. Now we can proceed the problem. Hope you all complete the calculation part. If anybody wants any time to complete the calculation part alone. Okay, fine. Now we'll consider the left hand side first. So we'll verify, first we'll do the left hand side, next we'll move on to the right hand side. What is the information they will give in the left hand side? First one is in the bracket B union C. First one is B union C. Union of the two sets B and C. B union C. Yeah, B union C. Union of the set B and C. Yeah, union of the set B and C. Okay, write down the element. Minus 1, minus 1 by 2. And next 1 by 2, 1, 3 by 2, then 2, 5 by 2, 7 by 2. Suppose it is difficult to write down the elements in an order. No problem. Write down the element of set B fully first. Okay, write down the element of set B fully. And next, there is no repetition of element is not allowed. Which are the repetition of elements? Minus 1 by 2. This is the repeated element. 3 by 2. Only the two elements you can skip and write down the remaining elements in set C. So this is only the idea. So suppose you know to arrange the elements in order. That minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1. Actually, this also is not in order. First minus 1 by 2. Okay, next one is minus 1 by 2. Okay. Oh, there is a number line, right? Okay, correct only. This is correct. Minus 1. Refer the number line. That minus 1 is in between 0 and 1 only. And it's correct only. Next 1 by 2. And next this is 1. This is called B union C. Next is A difference B union C. A difference B union C. To remove the element of B union C from A, write down the element of set A first. 1 by 2, 1, 3 by 2, 2, 5 by 2, comma 3. Difference B union C. The element of B union C. Minus 1, minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1, 3 by 2, 2, 5 by 2, 7 by 2. Last element is 7 by 2. I'll write 7 by 2 here. I think is it visible to all? Just tell adjust. Last element is 7 by 2. The last element is 7 by 2. Now we can remove the common element 1 by 2. Next is 1, 3 by 2, 2, 5 by 2. Yeah. A difference B and C. What is the remaining element? Element 3 alone is balanced. Don't bother about B union C. Totally to remove all the element of B union C from A. Okay. In total, you will remove all the element of B union C from A. Therefore, the remaining element is only one element, that is 3. Call it as equation number 1. Next, A difference B. For your right hand side. First, A difference B. Write down the element of set A. 1 by 2, comma 1, 3 by 2, comma 2, 5 by 2, comma 3. Difference element of set B. The element of set B is minus 1 by 2, comma 1 by 2, comma 3 by 2, comma 5 by 2, comma 7 by 2. Now we can remove the common element 1 by 2, 3 by 2, 5 by 2. Okay, write down the remaining elements. Nothing but 1, 2, 3. Next, A difference C. Once again, write the element of set A. 1 by 2, 1, 3 by 2, 2, 5 by 2, 3. And difference C. Write down the element of set C. Minus 1, minus 1 by 2, and 1 by 2, 1, 3 by 2. Now we can remove the common elements. 1 by 2, 1, 3 by 2. That's all. Only the 3 elements are common between the set A and C. To remove the element completely from A. Now we'll write down the remaining elements. Write down the remaining elements. Which are the remaining elements? 2, 5 by 2, 3. Okay, now we can copy up to this and then you can identify the final answer. Identify the final answer. Just not right. I made a mistake in that last one. That is element of C. Minus 1, minus 1 by 2. That is 1 only. 1 by 2 is not there. Yeah, I made a mistake in the element of set C. I'm really sorry, students. Just you can change the element of set C alone. Minus 1, minus 1 by 2, 1, 3 by 2, 2. Yeah, now we can remove the common element. The 1 by 2 is not removed. 1, and next 3 by 2, and next 2. Okay, what's the common element now? 1 by, sorry, after removing remaining elements are 1 by 2, 5 by 2, 3. Yeah, because I made a mistake in set C. Write down the element of set C alone. I made a mistake. Please carefully write the element. So just 1 minute, you can complete and you can come to the conclusion. Okay, those who didn't complete the problem, please take a screenshot. Those who didn't complete the problem, please take a screenshot and complete the conclusion. I can identify the right hand side, A difference B, intersection A difference C. That is also 3. What's the common element? 3 only is common. From 1 and 2, LHS and RHS are equal. Okay, thank you, students. Thank you. Please take a screenshot. Those who didn't complete the problem. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.